Good morning, my fellow gardeners. Today I'm going to start with my herb garden. I usually do it right on my deck as soon as you walk out of my house. It's right outside here because you could pick anything you want. It's right there in front of you. It's easy, it's delicious, it looks beautiful, it smells great. So I have three raised beds that I usually like to put this stuff in. I have a combination of parsley, mint, cilantro, basil, lemon, thyme, the whole 9 yards. So let's get started and show how I do it. Okay, the first thing I like to do is loosen up the dirt in the beds and make sure you clean up any junk that's in there from last year. See how the soil is nice and loose, soft. That's what you want when you do small plants like herbs and things like that. Now this is the dirt from last year, so I'm going to add some more to it. I have a multi-purpose potting soil. I'm going to add a little bit in there, and I'm going to mix it with the old and make sure it's loose. You don't want it packed, because when you put the new plants in there, you want them to be able to root and not choke until they start to really get a hold. This is a beautiful basil plant I'm going to do. So basically with my hand, I just dig a little hole. I bury it deep down inside. Don't pack it too tight because you want it to be able to breathe. So I do about 4 or 5 of these. I'll give them a little space because when they get bigger, they need more room to expand. See, like this thing here, take it out with your hand, take it in. Just make sure it's in there nice and tight, straight, so it grows straight up and not tilted and wobbly. So far in these planters, I put basil. Here I have cilantro from seeds. Here I have parsley, brain freeze. Here I have lemon thyme. This is from last year, and this comes back every year for about 5-6 years. Then you have to replant it. Here I have some delicious fresh mint. Also keep in mind, don't forget to, in the beginning at least, put some labels on it. You know, those little labels tells you what's growing in there. There's parsley there and so on. So we're going to continue filling this up. We'll come back in a couple of weeks and see the progress, how this thing comes out. It is absolutely beautiful to look at. It smells great, easy to maintain. So good luck, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.